Welcome to Prime Auto Insights, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, deep dives, and expert insights. Today, we have something that's sending shockwaves through the car community, the 2025 Subaru WRX TS. Subaru has finally pulled the covers off this highly anticipated model, but the real question is this the STI revival we've all been waiting for? Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you love high-performance cars and want daily updates on the hottest releases. Now, let's get started. Right off the bat, the WRX TS looks meaner, sharper, and more track-focused than ever. Up front, the revised hexagonal grille and sleek LED headlights give it an aggressive stance, while the functional hood scoop hints at the turbocharged power underneath. The crystal black silica trim accents add a stealthy yet sporty touch, making it stand out from the standard WRX. One of the biggest highlights: the new 19-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in Bridgestone Potenza S007 performance tires. These aren't just for looks, they're built for serious grip. And let's not forget the lowered stance, thanks to the STI-tuned suspension, giving the WRX TS a more planted and purposeful posture. From the rear, the changes continue. A subtle trunk spoiler, reworked LED taillights, and a more aggressive diffuser housing quad exhaust tips give this WRX TS a serious performance pedigree. Step inside, and the WRX TS immediately feels different from the standard model. The first thing you'll notice: black synthetic suede with blue stitching covering the dashboard and door panels, giving it a premium, motorsport-inspired vibe. The heated Recaro front seats provide incredible bolstering and support, perfect for aggressive cornering. Plus, the driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable, meaning comfort isn't sacrificed for performance. The gauge cluster, fully digital and customizable, providing real-time performance data at a glance. And while Subaru has kept the interior driver focused, you still get modern conveniences like a high-resolution 11.6-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. One key difference: no sunroof. Subaru intentionally removed it to reduce weight and lower the car's center of gravity, another nod to its performance-focused engineering. Now, let's get to what really matters: performance. The WRX TS is powered by the same 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine as the standard WRX, pushing out 271 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. While the numbers remain unchanged, the magic is in how this car handles. The biggest upgrade: the electronically controlled STI-tuned dampers. These allow you to adjust the suspension settings on the fly, choosing between a softer ride for daily driving or a stiffer, track-ready setup for spirited runs. Braking has also received a major improvement, thanks to high-performance Brembo brakes, with gold-colored 6-piston front and 2-piston rear calipers, ensuring the WRX TS stops as well as it goes. And, of course, Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system is here, giving you unmatched grip and control in all conditions. Whether you're carving through twisty canyon roads or launching from a standstill, the WRX TS delivers an exhilarating experience. What do you think so far? Drop a comment below if this is the STI revival you've been waiting for, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic car content. Since this is a brand new unveiling, Subaru hasn't released official pricing yet, but industry insiders predict the WRX TS will land in the mid-$40,000 range. That puts it right up against some serious competition, including the Honda Civic Type R and Volkswagen Golf R. So, how does it compare? While the Type R boasts more power, 315 HP, and front-wheel drive agility, the WRX TS counters with all-wheel drive grip and rally-inspired handling. Meanwhile, the Golf R offers similar AWD performance, but its refined interior and European styling make it a different breed altogether. Ultimately, if you're looking for a balanced blend of daily drivability, all-weather capability, and track-ready performance, the WRX TS could be the ultimate choice. So, does the 2025 Subaru WRX TS live up to the STI name? While it may not carry the full STI badge, it delivers the spirit of one, with a more dialed-in suspension, performance-tuned brakes, and a race-inspired interior. It's a true driver's car, built for those who love precision handling, all-weather capability, and the thrill of a turbocharged boxer engine. If you've made it this far, You clearly love performance cars. So why not join the Prime Auto Insights community? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Stay fast, stay passionate.